Want to know how to batch content on Skool efficiently? Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to streamline the process, plus offer some alternatives that might just fit your needs even better. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to manage your content in Skool, and you'll be in the know about some options that can make batching even more effective. First things first, let's talk about what it means to batch content. Essentially, batching content is about creating multiple pieces of content at once, so you don't have to go back and forth constantly. It's a huge time saver. Skool allows you to organize your content into structured, easy to access lessons and topics, which is great for scaling your community and educational materials. But here's the catch: while it's good for basic content delivery, some users feel it lacks more intuitive features for truly efficient batch management, especially when you need content uploaded quickly or organized in bulk. Next thing, to batch content in Skool, start by breaking your topics down into manageable sections. You'll want to create a course and then split your content into multiple lessons. Once your course framework is in place, Skool lets you add your content to these lessons one by one. But this is where it can get tedious. Unlike some other platforms, there's no easy drag and drop system for mass uploading, so if you're looking to quickly batch dozens of pieces of content, it might not be as smooth as other options. The third thing you need to understand is scheduling. Skool does let you schedule lessons, but again, it's not as advanced as some competitors. For true batch content publishing, you'd want a platform that allows you to upload multiple pieces at once and set them to go live at specific intervals. Skool's manual process could be a bit slower if you're trying to plan content ahead for weeks or months. So, while it gets the job done, it's definitely not the fastest platform out there for this purpose. Next, let's talk integrations. Skool does integrate with other tools, but if you're batching content from multiple sources, say, you're pulling in content from a podcast, a blog, or other media, you might find the integrations a bit lacking in terms of flexibility. There are ways to work around this, like using third-party tools, but if seamless integration is a priority, this could be a limiting factor for you. Now, the fourth thing, Skool's community building features are its strong suit. But if you're batching content with the sole aim of maximizing engagement or monetization, you may hit a wall. The features for audience interaction and tracking engagement are basic, and if you're trying to refine your content strategy based on real-time data, you might feel restricted. Here's the twist. While Skool is a solid platform, there are alternatives that can make content batching even easier, like Teachable and Kajabi. Both allow you to upload and schedule content in bulk, have smoother integrations, and provide better analytics for measuring success. They also come with more advanced marketing tools, so if you're serious about scaling your content and your business, they may be worth looking into. Finally, I have something special for you. I'm offering an exclusive extended free trial to Skool for our viewers. But here's the kicker. I also recommend giving some of those alternatives a try. They might be even better for the goal of content batching, and they come with their own free trials too. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial deals and exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So, what are you waiting for? Try them out and get your content batching under control today.